guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's look because look at my eyes. I am obsessed. You don't understand how in love I am with my eyes right now. I love creating looks that are super easy to achieve and use minimal products, but it looks like you put in so much time and effort to create that look and it's all glam and beautiful, but you know that you didn't use that much time and effort. So this is that type of look. So if you want to stick around to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I'm first going into Danessa Meyer's Twin Flames Multi-Chrome Pigment in Sweetheart. First with my EOS 6 Wing Liner Brush, I'm going to create the line towards the tail of my brow. And then looking straight into the mirror, I'm going to go back from that line and start creating the winged out shape. And I'm going to go above where my crease folds over. I'm now picking up the Danessa Meyer's Twin Flames Multi-Chrome Pigment in Crazy For You. And I'm going to finish the shape with this shadow. Now going back into Sweetheart, I'm going to apply this on the outer half. And then applying Crazy For You on the inner half. Now just swiping back and forth with my F70 concealer brush by Sigma to blend the shadows together. And then you can also just pat that in with your finger to blend it even more. Now going into the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in 0, I'm going to line my upper waterline. I'm going to apply mascara and false lashes, and I'm going to Salon Perfect Demi Collection Winged Lashes in 692. And that's the eye look done. Let's just take a moment for my eyeshadow right now because it is so beautiful. I am obsessed. I just want to look at this eyeshadow, swim in it. I'm in love. So now for lips, I'm going to stick with nude because with this type of eye look at how pretty it is. We're going to keep all that concentration just in the eyes, so let's just keep my lips nude. I'm going to go into the Pixie Beauty Liquid Lipstick in Bare Beauty. And that is it. This is a completed look of my green and gold cat eye. I hope you guys enjoyed. I am so obsessed with this look. I mentioned it a couple of times already, but I love it so much. And I love how quick and easy it was, and we used only 2 products. That's why I love this technique of shadow and liquid shadows, because it's so easy to create these types of looks. You can also just do one shadow and you're done. So if you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, that'll be down in the description box. And also I created a TikTok, so if you want to follow me on there, please do, because there's some content that I put up there that I don't have on Instagram or anywhere else. And all the products that I use today, along with the brushes that I use, will be linked down below for you to find everything easier. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!